Jai Srimanarayana. First sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Madanugrahaya paramam guhyam adhyatma samgitam ಯತ್ವಯೋಕ್ತಂ ವಚಸ್ತೇನ ಮೋಹೋಯಂ ವಿಗತೋ ಮಮ ಓಂ. Only because of Sri Krishna Paramatma's compassion towards you, you are able to listen to all these 10 chapters of Bhagavad Gita, and you are getting an opportunity to listen to Bhagavad Gita. This Bhagavad Gita has all power to dispel your misconceptions and delusion. Make sure you listen to it again and again thoroughly from learned people to ensure all your ignorance, delusion, misconceptions are dispelled. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that only because of your compassion I could hear Bhagavad Gita. Now I am getting an opportunity to listen to Bhagavad Gita. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall repeatedly listen to Bhagavad Gita from learned people to make sure my ignorance, my misconceptions and my delusion is dispelled. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀ ಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹ ಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋಭಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ, ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ, ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ, ವ್ಯಾಸ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮೋ ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು, 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ, 153rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi decided to curse Nalakubara and Manigriva. Before that, he is thinking like this: those who are in trouble they will understand how that pain is going to be. And they would never wish others to go through the same kind of pain. Whereas, na tadha aviddha kantakaha, those who did not experience the pain, how would they know what is the severity of that pain? Also, daridro nirahastambho muktaha sarvamadaihi iha, those who are in poverty, in general they will not have that kind of arrogance, and they will be happy whatever they are getting, because they will feel content whatever they have. Slowly they will not crave for any other things also. So they become pure, and that leads for them to not at all do any kind of himsapi vinivartate, harmful things, violent things. So they will not do any harmful and violent things to other entities. Slowly, in the same process, yujyante sadhavaha samadarshinaha, they will also do friendship with great people, enlightened people, good people. With that association of good people, they will totally bring down the cravings towards mundane things. Mundane things, cravings will go down. Once that happens, tataha arat vishuddhyati, their heart becomes pure. So this is how a person who is in poverty gets transformed. Whereas who has so much wealth and arrogance, they will never go towards Satpurushas, good people. Good people also would not go any closer to these kind of arrogant people. Like that, Narada Maharshi thinking within himself. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 1st sloka. Madanugrahaya paramam guhyam adhyatma samgitam yatvayoktam vachastena mohoyam vigato mama. Madanugrahaya paramam guhyam adhyatma samgitam yatvayoktam vachastena mohoyam vigato mama. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.